version. Hello, guys. We're seeing how long a tape measure is today. We're gonna see how long a tape measure is, guys. Where is? Okay, guys. I found the tape measure that we're gonna be using. 5, 6, 7. Guys, make an answer, make a guess, and then at the end, hit the like button if your guess was correct. We're gonna start at 1 foot. 1 feet. 1 feet. 1 feet, guys. This is a feet. We got a feet. You guys see that feet, buddies? You guys see that feet? Oh, wait, no, you don't. That's a feet. That's a foot. That's 1 foot. Now we're going to double it and go to 2. That's not 2 feet. That's 2 feet. Guys, we have 2 feet right here. That's 2 feet. And then 2 feet this big. That big is 2 feet. We're going to double it and go to 4. There's 4. That's right there. Oh, wait, it shrunk. My God. Guys, I'm going to put a block on the tape measure because it keeps moving, so I need to hold it somehow. 3, 4. You guys see that? It's 4 feet. Guys, you see that? It's 4 feet. It's 4 feet. You guys see that? That's 4 feet. I don't think you guys see that. You guys can't see it. Somebody once told me that why. Guys, subscribe if you guys already saw it. Okay, we're gonna move it. It's 4 feet. Do you guys see that? There, that's 4 feet. That is a 4-feeder. Bombage. It's 4 feet, guys. 4 feet. We're going to double it and go to. Double it and go to 8. 8 feet. Put that off. Guys, I thought 8 feet was long. Guys, I recorded it on the YouTube app, but I need to do it on my camera. Because you guys can't hear me if I record it on my YouTube. Guys, it's just my shirt up. Yeah. But 7 feet. Why is it going out? That's 8 feet. Ready? Eat, buddy. That's 8 feet, guys. We're at 8 feet. Guys, We are at 8 feet, and I want to show you. Guys, that's the tape measure. That's 8 feet. Guys, it's way bigger in real life. Wait, guys. What's 8 plus 8? 16. We're going to 16 feet. 15 feet, buddy. What are you saying? What? Oh my God. Guys, what happened? Guys, let's watch the drop. Oh my God. Guys, I'm so scared. Guys, we're at 12 feet. Wait, what? Guys, we're literally pulling the mat. What the? There we go. Guys, we're pulling the mat. The doormat. Where are we at? We're at 15. Now we're at 17, 16. We're at 16 feet, buddy. Guys, you see that doormat right there? Right there? Right there? We were literally pulling that. You guys couldn't see it because I was in the way. 3, 4 more. If we're not there, that? No, we're not. Let's try it. No. A little more. Not much. We're at 16 feet. Not exactly, but you guys need to see a little more than 16 feet. At 16 feet, guys. Holy war. Do you guys see how long that is? Do you guys? Wait. Hey guys, 16 plus 16. Okay, guys, we're not gonna add that many more. We're gonna add 5 more inches. So then we get to 21. Then we get to 21. Yeah, let's add. No, let's add 4. So then we get to an even number. We're adding 4, so we get to 24 inches. Guys, we're at 200 inches. 200, let's go. Okay. passed 200. 200 was... Oh, okay, wow. Guys, we're at 19 inches, but we need to be at 20. I'm doing a YouTube video. What? Cool. Daddy, I'm trying to make a YouTube video. Guys, I have it. We're at 20 feet. Daddy, do not touch the tape. Okay? I'm using it for a video. Guys, that was 20 feet. And then after 20, we're going to add 5. So then we're at 25. Guys, I don't know what we're going to, like maybe 30. Move, Sammy. I'm trying to show them how long this is. Actually, you should.
She's coming in?
Sammy, you know how you...
She's right there.
Sammy, you know how you said that to me? Actually, you should. You see me blind? Yeah. I just Uno reversed Sammy. I just roasted him. I just roasted him. Three. 5. Kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 5. Kicks. Guys, we are at 20 feet. We're going to add 5 so we get to 25 feet. Guys, hold you are. No. Guys, at the end, I'm going to tell you 2 little secrets that I knew. 1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, buckle some more. We're getting 25, boys. But I mean, you might want to see what I'm doing right now. No, but you might want to see what I'm doing right now.
Are you measuring?
Stuff out of my car.
Guys, we're almost done.
What is this?
No, I need that. I need that.
You need this little
The
thing?
box. Guys, we're at 24 inches.
No one there.
I'm at 20. Guys, we're at 24 inches, and I just saw something. I'm gonna show you guys what I saw. Come here, little boxy. Just wait.
Shark,
What?
let's watch that movie, kiddo.
No.
Where did Sammy put the stove?
What?
In the back.
That's the...
God, guys.
I only watched the movie.
No. You guys might want to see this. Homie? You are. Oh, shoot. There we go. I found it. It says, caution, attention, precaution. That means don't do anything else. Do not go any farther because you could get hurt. So guys, there are 25 inches. I mean, what the heck did I just say? There's actually 25 feet, not inches. And I knew that because of this. You guys couldn't see it because it was on the other side. 25. Guys, look. I did a video on this before on YouTube. It didn't work because you guys can't hear me. And I saw it was 25 feet. So yeah. And I'm going to show you guys how long it is. It's this long. Holy you long. Holy you long. Now I'm going to show you guys how long it is from just walking. Oh. Guys, I'm walking pretty fast. Time. Bye, Charnation. We have a good day.